How to download Telegram videos in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can download Telegram videos in iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to download Telegram videos on your iPhone, so let's say someone sent you a particular video on the Telegram application. So I'll just go to a certain person. Let's say a certain person sent me a certain video. How do I download that particular video such as this? Well, it's very simple to download it. Just play that video here if someone sent you, and let's say you want to save it to your gallery. Tap the three dots option from the top right hand side and look for the option called save video. Now tap on save video option, and now this video will get successfully saved to your Photos app. If I open the Photos application here and if I just refresh it, I'll be able to see that particular video has been successfully downloaded. And this way you will be able to go ahead and then basically download Telegram videos in iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.